welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today, we're working on Christmas in July. Why not? It's a Christmas quilt that we did. Strips, sewing them together gives a little bit of a ladder effect or step effect, and it's turned out really nice. I used lighter tones in one section and darker tones in the other, and it turned out really pretty and very fun project to put together. Now you could totally border this up if you like. I left it the way it was, and we're just going to quilt it up with some free motion holly and berries. Okay. So let's get holly and berry in it. Okay, I just made one holly. I'm just going to go up the stem, or the leaf. Okay, there's only one here. So I want to create a berry. Create another berry. And then in here, be able to make another holly. Okay. And if you know what a holly looks like, right? So you can pop in between, do a little loop or a big loop, and then start working your holly. Holly jolly wally. Being able to do them big, do them small. Just have some fun. If you want, maybe add some bells. You could add some bells. They don't always need to be 2 hollies per section. You can do one. You can do, oops. Okay, we're going to do a little bit different. That's a little bit different holly. There we go. Do a little loop. Put yourself around. And much bigger. Just used cream colored thread. Actually, I think it's called linen. I thought it would blend quite nicely on the neutral tone here, and then show up quite lovely on the greens and the reds. We'll add a couple berries. I'm going to add that holly coming out from here. Easy free motion little project you can do on any machine for sure. And of course, like I say, you can make it any size you like. You put your little veins in your leaf any way you like to. There's one little berry there. And just keep going. You can put snowflakes in between. You can do whatever you like. Like, it's your project, right? I think the key point is to make sure you have them going all around. So that's a different one. That's okay. Not all hollies the same. That's what I'm claiming. Not all hollies the same. It was chilly when it got into the shop, but it certainly has warmed up quite a bit, which is good. Now you can chalk this all out if you wanted to, or just go and have some fun. If you don't like what you did, rip out the stitches. It's really just that simple. I'm just trying to make sure I'm traveling around my quilt, making sure I'm getting them as evenly spaced as I can. I don't want too many gaps, right, in between. I don't want to have to go, uh-oh, I missed there, and I should probably go back in and fill in something. Let's scoot back over here. Different sizes. As long as you're happy with what you got going on. If you don't want to put the little veins in the leaves of the holly, well, I think you can do without it if you don't want to do it. It still looks like a holly. Scoot under these guys. And I chose a nice cream wide back. So. And if you just have fun, that's really all that matters. You know, we're here for a good time, we're here for a long time. Just kind of try to do the best we can while we're here. Right? Trying to make sure we got some equal coverage here, whether it's holly or the swirls, or the loops, sorry. right up near the top. Uh-oh, I just noticed a wee hole in here. Whoa, whoa, hold on. Let's make sure I get that stitched over. Put some no fray on that. Some beautiful fabrics we used on this project. I believe we did it as a live stream. If you want to go check out that video, it's pretty cool. Maybe I can try and find it for you. Well, it would have been several videos, but still. We would have had a lot of fun no matter what. All right, I think that's where we're going to leave it for there. And I'll roll it and all sorts of fun stuff. So thank you, everybody, for joining us today. Greatly appreciate you here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. Hopefully, maybe you're doing something Christmassy in July. Let me know in the comments below. That's usually when it's the halfway to the Christmas point. That's usually when people start thinking about, ooh, I better get working on my list, especially us crafters who like to make our gifts. So, or make something that's, you know, the vessel goes in, you know, sort of thing. So take care, everybody. Big hugs to you, and we'll see you real soon.